56. The speed of boat upstream is 20% less than that of downstream. If the total time taken by the boat to travel 45 kilometers downstream and 72 kilometers upstream together is 6 hours 45 minutes, what is the speed of the stream? Speed of the stream. Now, both upstream speed is 20% less than downstream speed. Downstream and upstream speeds are 20% less. If it is 100%, it is 20% less, means 80%. The ratio is going to be 5:4. Downstream speed is 5 parts and upstream speed is 4 parts. You have to calculate about stream speed. That means downstream minus upstream by 2. So 5 parts minus 4 parts by 2. That is 1 part by 2. So finally, you have to calculate 1 part by 2 for your answer. Now let's see here. So 45 kilometers downstream means the time taken by the boat is 45. Distance by speed. What is downstream speed? 5 parts. And 72 kilometers upstream means the time taken by the boat is 72 by 4 parts. Together, the total time is equals to 6 hours 45 minutes. 6 hours 45 minutes means 6 3 by 4 only, where 6 3 by 4 can be written as, that is 27 by 4, because 4 6 are 24 plus 3, that is 27 by 4. Let's do the cancellation here with 9 3 times, 9 8 times, and then 9 5 times. Okay, now 5 and 5 gets cancelled, 4 ones are 4 twos are, and then again. So it is 1 by p plus 2 by p. 1 by p plus 2 by p is 3 by p. 3 by p equal to 3 by 4, and 3 gets cancelled. That means 1 part is going to be 4. You need to calculate it. 3 gets cancelled. 1 part value is going to be 4. So you need 1 part by 2. That means 4 by 2 is our answer. 4 by 2 means 2, which is fourth option, final answer. Speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. Question number 57. 10 women can complete a project in 24 days and 8 men can complete the same project in 18 days. What is the respective ratio between number of days taken by 16 women to complete the project and that taken by 12 women to complete the same project? Okay. Now, 10 women can complete the project in 24 days means, let's go with the M1, D1, M2, D2. M1 is 10 women, M2, D2, D1 is 24, M1, D1, that is equals to M2. How many women are there? 16 women. 16 women can complete the project in how many days? Let's take here. So 8 3 times, 8 2 times, 2 ones are 2 5 times. 5 into 3, that is 15. So the time taken by women, or else the number of days taken by the women is 15 days. Okay, next. Now let's talk about men. 8 men can complete the project in 18 days. M1, D1, that is equals to M2. How many men are there? 12 men are there, and then D2 into D. 6 twos are 6 threes are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 4 into 3, that is 12. So D value is 12. Now it is you have to take the ratio for 15 and 12. 15 and 12 ratio is going to be 15-12 ratio is going to be 3 5 times, 3 4 times. That is 5:4, which is fourth option, final answer. Question number 58. At present, Ali is 8 times the age of Sarah. After a certain number of years, Ali will be 36 years old and Sarah will be 15 years old. What is Ali's present age? Okay. So at present, Ali is 8 times of Sarah's age. If Sarah age is 1 part, Ali's age is going to be 8 parts only. Now, after some years, Ali's age will be 36 years and Sarah's age will be 15 years. What is difference between 36 and 15? That is 21 years. Difference between Ali and Sarah after some years will be 21 years. And you know that a difference between any two persons at any given point of time is same. That means here present age difference is 7 parts only. That 7 parts value is equal to 21. 1 part value is going to be 7 3 times, right? 1 part value is 3. You need to find out the present age of Ali. 8 parts, 8 into 3, that is 24 years. Second option, final answer. Question number 59. ABC started a business with investments in the ratio of 3:6:4 respectively. 6 months after the start of the business, B doubled his investment and C withdraw half of his investment. If the annual profit received was 29,250, what was B's share in the profit? Okay. Now let's write their investments 3:6:4. They have started the business. 6 months from the start of the business, B doubled. That means A's time period is 12 months. First 6 months, his initial investment is there for first 6 months, and then after that B has doubled his investment. That means his investment is 6 parts. Double means that is 12 parts, and that is for 6 months. And now see withdraw half of, and his initial investment is there for 6 months, and withdraw half means that is 2 parts, and that will be there for remaining 6 months. Now let's cancel here. Let's go with 6 2 times. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are. Now profit share ratio is 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 12, that is 18, and 4 plus 2, that is 6. Now 6 ones are 6 threes are and 6 ones are. The ratio is 1 is to 3 is to 1, that is 5 parts. Annual profit is going to be 29,250. 29,250 is equal to 5 parts, and you need to calculate B share. B share is 3 parts. This is 9 multiple and it is 3 multiple. Answer should be 9 multiple. Let's verify your options. First option 9 multiple, second option, third option also 9 multiple. Yes, all the options are 9 multiples. Let's go here. Let's go with the options except this one. It is not 9 multiple. 9 now. 5 cancellation. With 5 cancellation, 5 how many times here? 5 5s are 5 5s are 25 and 42. 5 8 times, 5 times and then 0. 5,000 into 3, that is 15,000, and 850 into 3, that is going to be 850 into 3, 2,550. If you add both these two, that will be 17,550, which is going to be third option, final answer. Question number 60. Mona invested a certain sum in scheme A, offering 20% per annum compound interest compounded annually for 2 years. She lent half of the amount she received from scheme A to Tini at 5% per annum simple interest for T years. Interest received by Mona from Tini was 1/8 of the amount received from scheme A. What is the value of T? Now, certain sum means 100%. 20% compound interest for 2 years means interest will be 44%. Amount from scheme A, that is going to be 144%. So amount received by Mona from scheme A is 144%. Let's remember this one. And she lent half of this amount. Half of 144% is 72% only. She lent this 72%. She lent uh, she lent half of the amount she received from scheme A to Tini at 5% per annum simple interest. Okay, this is 72% she lent. That is for 5%. That means that is 5%, 5 by 100, and it is for how many years? T years. And it is the interest she is getting from Tini. It is the interest she is getting from Tini. That means interest means PTR by 100. Satisfied? And that interest is equals to 1/8 of the amount received from scheme A. 1/8 of the amount received from scheme A is 144%. Okay. Now let's calculate a T value here. 72 exactly 2 times, 2 ones are 2 4 times, and then 5 ones are 5 20 times, 4 ones are 4 5 times. So now T value is going to be 5 years, which is going to be fourth option, final answer. A, B and C invest in a business, and the share of their investments are in the respective ratio of 0.5 is to 0.5 is to 0.25 is to 0.125. Okay, after 4 months from the start of the business, C withdraws half of his investment. If at the end of the year profit received was 11,400, how much was B's share? Now, if at all you have to solve this problem, let's convert this ratio in terms of integers. And if you can observe the relation, 0.125 exact double is 0.25, 0.25 exact double is 0.5. Yes, 0.125 double is 0.25, and 0.25 double is 0.5. That means 0.125 how many times is 0.5? 4 times. 0.125 4 times is 0.5. Now, it is 1 time, it is 2 times, and it is 4 times. For our convenience, for this problem, what I'm trying to do is, and this investments ratio, I'm taking it as 8 is to 4 is to 2, because after 4 months, C withdraws half. That means in one half value means 0.5 only. In that case, your problem will be in decimals only. That's why I took like 4 is to 2 is to 1 in form of 8, 4, and 2. Okay. Now, so their time periods are going to be their time periods are going to be 12 months, 12 months. And here for C, after 4 months, he has withdrawn something. So his initial investment will be there for 4 months only. And he has withdrawn half value, right? Out of 2, what is half value? 1. So 1 rupee withdrawn means 1 rupee will be there. And that will be there for 8 months. Now, let's cancel with everywhere. You can cancel with 4, right? So 4 3 times, 4 3 times, 4 ones are 4 2 times. Now let's cancel with 2. 2 4 times here, 2 2 times here, 2 ones are, and 2 ones are. Now finally what you can do, 4 into 3 is 12, and 2 into 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, and you can make it as 1 time, 3 time, and then 6 times. So total how many parts are these? 6 3 1 are how many parts? 6 parts, 3 parts, 1 parts are 10 parts. The 10 parts value is equal to 11,400. 10 parts value is equal to 11,400. That means 1 part value. 10 parts, 11,400. 1 part value is so 1140. I think you got the point. So finally, you have to calculate B share. B share is 3 parts, right? That means into 3. It is 3 multiple. It is 3 multiple. Answer must be 9 multiple. 3 multiple into 3 multiple, 9 multiple. Or else your answer will end up with 0 because every option is ending with 0, 0, and 3 fours are that is 2. Answer must be ending with 2 0. No, 2 0, 2 0. Only one such option, fifth option, final answer. Question number 58. Sum of the percentages of Joe and Anne is 32 years. Sum of the percentages of Pi and Anne is 29 years. The respective ratio of percentages of Joy and Pi is Joy and Pi is 4:3. Just a minute. Okay. 4:3. What will be Anne's age from now? What will be Anne's age 14 years from now? Now, see here. Okay. So, Joy and Anne's together it is 32 years. Pi and Anne together it is 29 years. So, this is less than this value, right? This is less than this value, right? So, here Anne and common. So, how much it is less? 3 years less. Why? Because that 3 years less. So, here it is Joy and here it is Pi. The difference between Joy and Pi is 3 years because Anne is common in both the cases. So the difference between Joy and Pi is going to be 3 years. Okay. Now here the ratio has been given 4:3. Percentages ratio 4:3. What is difference here? One part. Now one part is going to be 3 years, and let's try to calculate Pi's age. Pi's age is 3 parts. That means it is 9 years. Okay. You know that Joy and you know that Pi and Anne together it is 29. Pi and Anne together it is 29. Pi's age already we have calculated that is 9. Pi's age is 9. Together it is 29. That means Anne's age is going to be out of 29. Pi's age is 9 means Anne's age is going to be 20 years. Now this is Anne's present age. Now you have to calculate Anne's age after 14 years. Anne's age after 14 years. That means plus 14. Answer is going to be 34. Third option, final answer. Question number 59. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 7 1 by 5 days. B and C together can finish the same piece of work in 10 2 by 7 days. C and A together can finish the same piece of work in 8 days. In how many days A, B, C together can finish the same piece of work? Now, A, B together. 7 1 by 5 can be written as 36 by 5. B, C together. BC together that is 10 2 by 7 that can be written as 72 by 7, and AC together or CA together they can complete the work in 8 days. Now let's take LCM for all these values, and here you are having, so for some time 8 can be written as 8 by 1. So everything it is in fractions, right? For fractions LCM means take LCM for numerators, that means 36, 72 and 8. For 36, 72 and 8, LCM is going to be 72 only, and denominators are there. For denominators 5, 7 and 1, take HCF. HCF for 5, 7 and 1 is 1 only. HCF for 5, 7 and 1 is 1. So now finally your work is 72 units. Ideally you have to write 72 by 1. 72 by 1 means that is 72 only. So work is 72 units. Now let's try to write A and B's 1 day work. A and B's 1 day work. So now they will complete all 72 units of work in 36 by 5 days means 1 day work of A and B is going to be 10 units only, because 36 by 5 into 10 is going to be 72. 36 by 5 into 10 is going to be 72 because 5 ones are 5 twos are 36 into 2 72, right? Like that you need to write. AB's 1 day work is 10 units. Similarly BC's 1 day work is going to be 7 units. 72 by 7 into 7 is 72. Yes. Similarly AC's 1 day work is going to be 8 9 times, right? 8 9 times 72, right? 9 units all together. What is total 1 day work? 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 9 26 units is the 1 day work of whom A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. That is 2 times of A, 2 times of B and 2 times of C. So 2 times of A, 2 times of B, 2 times of C is 1 day work is 26 units. But I want only 1A, 1B, 1C 1 day work. That is 26 by 2. 2 times of ABC value is 26 units per day. I want only ABC for one day, that is 26 by 2, that is 13 units per day. 13 units per day. Now all they have to complete the work in all together, they have to complete the work in how many days? That is 72 units is the work, and daily they are doing 13 units. So 13 how many times? 5 times is 65. Answer must start with 5. Answer must start with 5. Only one such option is there, which is third option, final answer. Yes. Question number 60. When a certain sum of money is invested for 12 years at 9% simple interest per annum, it amounts to rupees 24,960. At what rate of simple interest per annum should the same sum of money be invested to earn the same interest in 8 years? Okay. 12 years, 9%. That means every year 9%. Like that, 12 years. What is the total interest? What is the total interest will be get? Total interest that they're receiving is 12 nines are 108, and 108 is the interest. 108% is the interest they will be receiving after 12 years. But the question is, at what rate of simple interest per annum should the same sum of money be invested to earn the same interest in 8 years? Okay, same sum means ideally if you don't know the sum, you'll take it as 100, right? So here also same sum means 100, and after 12 years the interest is 108 percentage, and you have to get that 108 percentage in 8 years only. For that, what is the rate of interest? Calculate, and you have to get this 108 percentage in 8 years only. For that, what is the rate of interest? That means divide by 8. Simple thing is by 8. Okay, 108 percentage you need to get in 8 years. What is the rate of percentage? 108 by 8, that is if you can calculate, or else it is 9 multiple. Denominator no 3 multiple is there. Answer must be 9 multiple. Verify your options. First option 9 multiple. Second option no. That is 3 multiple. Third option no. Fourth option no. Fifth option no. Answer first option. Question number 61. A dealer offers us 25% discount on the market price of a certain item and thereby makes a profit of 20%. Okay. If the market price of the item was rupees 8,000, how much discount should he offer on the market price so as to make a profit of 30% on the item? Okay. Very easy problem. See here. Initially, he offered a discount of 25%, right, on the market price. We don't know market price. Let us take it as 100. And discount is 25%. That means selling price is going to be 75. If selling price is 75 and there is a thing, thereby makes a profit of 20%. So selling price is 75 and there is a profit of 20%. That, and this 75 is equals to 120%. This 75 equal to 120%. Now let's calculate this market price. Market price is what? 100 equals to how much? Market price is 100 equal to how much? Now it is 25 what 3 times and then 4 times. 3 how many times? 40 times. 40 into 4, that is 160. Now market price is 160. You know that cost price usually we take it as 100 only. And if at all he has to get a profit of 30%, at what rate he will sell? If at all he has to get a profit of 30%, at what rate he will sell? 130 rupees only. 30% profit means 130% he will sell. 100 cost price, market price, selling price, right? Now see here how much discount he is offering. 30 rupees discount is offering. 30 rupees on what? On 160. That means percentage means into 100. If at all he has to get a profit of 30%, he has to offer a discount of 30 rupees. 30 rupees on what? 160 into 100. Don't calculate. If you can observe here, it is 3 multiple. In denominator, no 3 multiple is there. Answer must be 3 multiple. Let's verify your options. It is not 3 multiple. It is 3 multiple. Yes. 7, 7, 14. It is not 3 multiple. It is 9 multiple. But we want only 3 multiple. So we don't take this one. And it is not a 3 multiple. Answer, second option, final answer. Question number 62. A bag contains 6 white balls, 4 red balls, and 2 green balls. If 2 balls are picked at random, what is the probability that at least 1 ball is red? At least 1 ball means what we will take is 1 minus 0 red ball. 1 minus 0 red ball. Remember. So 1 minus. Finally, you are drawing two balls, right? So 1 minus 0 red balls means don't take red balls and take the remaining balls. 6 and 2, that is 8, right? So 8 C2. You are drawing 2 balls out of total number of balls are 12 balls, and in that one you are drawing 2 balls. Basically, the total number of possibilities are total 12 balls are there, and in 12 balls you are taking 2 balls. But here you don't want any red ball. That means red balls are 4, right? Don't take that one. And 6 plus 2, that is 8. 8C2. Now this is like 1 minus 8C2 can be written as 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. and I am not writing that one because 12C2 can be written as 12 into 11 by 2 into 1. Both the numerator 2 into 1 and denominator 2 into 1 will gets cancelled, and like this 8 into 7 by 12 into 1 will be the final thing. Now let's cancel here. 4 2 times, 4 3 times, and it is like that is equals to 1 minus 7 twos are 14, 14 by 33. So it is like 33 in denominator. You must be getting 33. Two such options are there. Let's see, 33 minus 14, that is 19. Yes, that is 19. 19 by 33, which is a fifth option, final.